Alrighty guys, these are the elevators. Here are the brand new Home2 suites here at Indianapolis, Indiana, northwest side of Indy. We got Indiana's third Gen 3 install. Yes, let's go. Look at that, Otis. Nice. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Big Gen 3. Now that's fun. Yes. You heard that right? That is a Gen 3 chime. And yes, they're MRL. Now, here comes this one. Look at that. Listen. Yes. Oh. Ding. I love it. Me hearing those chimes, so good. New Series 2, so nothing too exciting, but the chimes still.
Go down. One?
No, it's to me.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
All right.
That's okay.
It's weird. It's a certificate there. So cool. First floor. So cool. There goes the elevator. And that is, folks, my first ever install in person of the Gen 3. So anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.